What if I tell you you can use ChatGPT Pro completely free for 12 months? No tricks, no hacks, a 100% legit method. Sounds crazy, right? Okay, let me show you the exact steps. First, go to the Google Play Store and update your ChatGPT app because this free trial shows up only in the latest version. Now open the ChatGPT app and go to the plan section. There you will see 12-month free trial written. Just tap on that. As soon as you tap it, it will take you to Google Play. Select UPI if you are from India, tap on Continue, and choose any UPI app, Google Pay, Paytm, PhonePe, anything. Then set up the AutoPay. After that, it will redirect you back to ChatGPT, open the app again, and boom! Your ChatGPT Pro subscription is now active. Now the most important part, go to Google Play, Payments and Subscriptions, AutoPay, select ChatGPT, and cancel AutoPay. That's it. Now you can use ChatGPT Pro free for 12 whole months. The video was short but useful. If this method works for you, hit the like button and tell me in the comments.